So this is the Agri-Fab Detacher that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to attach to your riding lawnmower. You have to have a lawnmower hitch, which just connects to this piece. So we're just gonna try to set this up. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Okay, so here it is, all completely assembled. Really wasn't that bad. The instructions are clear for the most part. There was a few vague areas. Looks alright. These are the tools that I use. I use my impact driver. This flat screwdriver is to basically you have to press the metal down to hold these in place. Adjustable wrench, use that. This half inch, whatever that is, and sockets. So this is a 19 and 13, and this is just an adapter to use with my driver. Don't use this, you'll hurt your arm. It's like over here it tells you to tighten it and then loosen it low slightly. I kind of feel like this should just be like a washer here, just like the wheel. You see how there's like a little spaced, kind of spaced out in the wheel. I don't know why they didn't have something like that, but up here, but I guess it is what it is. Anyway, so we'll be putting this on the mower and then we'll try it out. I found some rocks on the property. I'm gonna use this instead and just tie it. So, let's see. Go up. Oh yeah, it's heavy now. And down. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I have no idea if it's working like it's supposed to, because I've never used this before. But all I can say is, yeah, it did some damage to the grass, so unless that's what it's supposed to do. It's getting late, so we have to check this tomorrow. Okay, so here we are, just a little bit over a year since I made the initial video and put this all together. As you can see, there is rust all over these pieces, and that's because I've kept this outside. I don't have space to put it inside the house, just because of this. The arm is just very weird to try to store it, so I've left it outside. So I've used this a total of 3 times, but this is really good for removing moss and dead grass and weeds, which I've been doing as part of my lawn care. So I plan on using this once or twice a year to remove the moss and the weeds and everything like that. But what comes after using this, it's a lot of labor, because when you're done using this, your lawn is filled with just dead grass all over. And the only way to remove it is to rake them. So if you have a decent sized yard, it's gonna be a pain. But aside from that, I mean, this works perfectly fine. You will find that the arm is very flimsy. Mine is already damaged. It's warped. Even though I did not put a separate screw here, because there's actually supposed to be two screws to keep this thing from rotating. But I found out by looking at other videos online, you're still gonna run into the problem where this kind of like is warped. It's just very flimsy. It's not sturdy enough. Eventually, after, like I said, I only used this 3 times. I think on my second time using it, it had already bent. The arm had already bent. But yeah, overall this works perfectly fine for my lawn care needs. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Till next time.